Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 8 ways to go the extra mile with your Etsy customer service. These tips will help you get repeated customers, gain great reviews, and de-escalate angry customers. So if you want to learn all about these tips, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of any new videos. As a small business owner and selling on an e-commerce platform like Etsy, providing good quality customer experience is pivotal for the success of your Etsy store. And I can't tell you how many times I have gotten a sale from simply responding to a message with great customer service. So what does it mean to provide excellent customer service on Etsy? It really means that you're listening to the customer, you're responding in a friendly manner, and you go above and beyond what the customer expects because you want this to be the best experience they have ever had. So when you do this with every single customer, you will start automatically getting repeated customers. They will sign up for your email list. You'll start getting amazing reviews like I just mentioned without the need to ask. So let's go over 8 ways to go the extra mile with your Etsy customer service. The first tip is download the Etsy Seller app. It lets you easily manage your business on the go. You will be able to respond to customers. You're able to see your shop stats and manage your orders. And the best part of the app is being able to see any messages from potential buyers and not missing an opportunity to provide great customer service and potentially close out the sale. So it's free also, so you don't lose anything. Now, respond to inquiries as quick as possible is the next tip. So how quickly you respond to customer inquiries can have an impact on your sales. So it's important to respond as quickly as possible, not only to possibly get the sale, but it's one of the core attributes of customer service. I have had so many sales from simply responding to an inquiry in a fast, timely manner. And I know at times it could be hard due to having a full-time job or other responsibilities, but take advantage of having the Etsy Seller app and doing so when you can. Fix your mistake is another tip. If you find yourself making a mistake, I have made many of them, it's important to fix it and take ownership. Transparency is important in a business, and it's okay to say, hey, we made a mistake, and here are the steps that we're taking to fix it. Always strive to go out of your way by not only providing a resolution to fix the issue, but offering something of value. So maybe you could waive the shipping fee, right? Or maybe you could throw in something extra in the order as a thank you. Just keep that in mind, go in that extra. Now, the next tip is go the extra mile. So another great way to build loyal customers is going the extra mile. Make it a habit of going the extra mile with every customer. It will help you beat the competition and keep yourself on the radar for future business from these customers. So here are some examples of how you could go the extra mile. Now I want to give you kind of like a list. So be proactive by following up with any issues. Respond quickly to inquiries. Show appreciation by saying thank you to your new customers after a sale. Always deliver more than expected. Make it personal by responding to your customers by their first name. I do this all the time. Prioritize your customers' time. Say thank you even when they don't buy from you. That's a huge one. Be generous to your most loyal customers. Show empathy when needed. Don't wait for opportunities to keep in touch with your customers. And send out Etsy thank you notes to buyers. Show interest in people. If they say, hey, I'm from Chicago, say something back to that. Focus on the customer needs and always respond with a positive attitude. Another tip is thanking your customers. I'm sure you have heard of sending thank you cards to a customer. Is a great way to make a positive impression and an easy way to show appreciation. Many Etsy sellers miss the opportunity to build loyal customers by not taking the time to say thank you. A thank you note is such an effective way to provide customer service without taking a lot of your time and effort. The Etsy note to the buyer should be simple. Give them, thank you for doing business with me, and I look forward in doing business with you in the future. It's just something very simple and genuine. So I'm going to give you 2 examples of Etsy messages that you could use for your buyer. So you could say something like thanks and offer some sort of discount for the next purchase. And it will sound something like this. So thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy your order. Here's a 10% on your next purchase with the discount, with the code discount10. Have feedback. Please let us know what you think. And then you just say best regard. You could put your name and then sign off with your URL. Another example of a message that you could do if you don't want to give like a discount out, it's just something very simple like, thank you for visiting us and making your first purchase. We are glad that you found what you were looking for. It is our goal that you are always happy with what you bought from us. So please let us know if your buying experience was anything short of excellent. Something like we look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day. It's just something simple like that. Just sign it off with your name. Maybe have your Etsy URL at the bottom. Another tip is show empathy. This is a huge one. Learning to be empathetic with people will help you provide excellent customer service and make you stand out from your competitors. When a customer has a problem with an order, it's your job to make them feel heard, respected, and understood. So here's some steps that you could take to show empathy and win over the customer. So allow them to vent. That's okay. Be respectful of their feelings when responding. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Meet their expectations. Show that you care. That's a huge one. Thank them for allowing you to resolve their issue. Ask questions to better help find a solution, right? Or find a resolution. Give options and suggestions. And don't forget, go the extra mile. Another tip that you could do is offer suggestions. So another way to take your customer service to the next level is by offering other products or services after a sale. So if you have a customer who just recently purchased a wedding sign from your shop, it's a great practice to let them know, hey, by the way, thank you for your order, and we have matching items that go with that particular product. It doesn't always guarantee a sales, but it is a way of ensuring great customer service, and if you get a sale, that's a plus. Ask for feedback is another tip. So if you want to grow your Etsy business, you need to seek input from others, especially from people that buy from you. It doesn't matter if you feel like you're doing an exceptional job. There's always room for improvement. So ask your customers for feedback and be clear that you want honest feedback, because you're trying to, understand what you're doing right and what you're not doing right. And you want to get feedback, the feedback that you're going to get, you want to take it in perspective and not take it personal. So if you follow all these steps, really take time to understand what it really means to provide excellent customer service. You download the Etsy Seller app and you make it your mission to always provide excellent service all the time, no matter the situation. You will reap the benefits. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video, and let me know of any tips that you do currently right now to provide excellent customer service, any examples that you have. I'll be more than happy to give additional suggestions if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.